Hello, welcome to Cross Credits, a decentralized lending and borrowing protocol on which works between the Sepolia and Avalanche 4G network. So basically, this is our contract, and we've implemented the receiver, and this contract acts as both the sender and the receiver. So we have some basic storage variables, and then the major functionalities here are the lend, the borrow, the repay. Users can on lend to, and then there can also be liquidation. So yeah, that's just a quick breakdown of what we have here in code, and this is deployed on both the Avalanche 4G network and the Ethereum Sepolia network, as you can see here. So yeah, so I've lent some tokens already, so I could just decide to get my the worth of my lent tokens across chains, and I have that as position type of one, so I could just read this, and here I have about $26 worth of tokens lent across networks. So currently on this Sepolia network, I have about half of that, and then I have the other half on Avalanche network. I could verify that by getting the asset address. Currently, we support just linked tokens on both networks due to the hackathon time frame, and the fact that we could not get access to other test tokens on the networks. So that's the asset address, and I'm going to copy my address here, and then I'm also going to put the type on. So this type 1 is for lent tokens lent. So once I read this is one what that is one E18 tokens, which is one link token that I've lent. But you can see the value here is about 2 link tokens, because I also lent here on Avalanche. I can read this here for you. Okay, you can see this is the link token on Avalanche 4G. This is my address, and then I want lent. I query this, and then you can see. So the sum of the cumulative sum of this gives me the total amount here of about $26. This is in 8 decimals. Yeah. So then I could also borrow. I could borrow up to 70% of my collateral. So I have currently about $26 worth of collateral, and then I also borrowed a bit. So you see this, right? This is borrow type 2, and this is also a very tiny bit. It's not to 1 cent. So yeah, I could borrow. Let's say I'm going to borrow about $5 worth of link tokens. So let's just do the conversion here. Let's say 5 USD to link, and then yeah, this is about 0.42 link. So all I have to do here is basically let's put this as 118, and then I want to just change this to be 0.42 link. Then I want to borrow link token, so I'm just going to get the address of link token on Sepolia, which is this. I'm going to paste this here, and I'm going to try to borrow this. So yeah, this should confirm in a bit, and then once this confirms, I'm going to put this in a new tab for you to see the transaction, and we can also observe the transaction on observe the cross-chain interaction. So you can see this. I've been able to borrow token, and you can see I got some tokens transferred to me. Okay, yeah, token transfers, and this should show in a bit. Yeah, so I got token transferred. You can see 0.42 link from cross credit to me, and then if I'm to observe the address of this contract on the CCIP Explorer, I should see an outgoing message from, yeah, you can see 40 seconds ago. So I sent a message that was sent from here to also take note of the position on Avalanche. So once it gets confirmed, it's going to get stored on Avalanche network. And then also, if I come back here to the Explorer here, I can see incoming message, the same here. You can see this. Let me just refresh this. Okay, you can see 1 minute ago. okay, sorry, let me refresh this so you can get the accurate data.